Hiccups again. You have a lot of hiccups. Like 10 times a day. Take this out. No, doesn't help. You say hi? Then you start to get annoyed by them. Especially when they're in the middle of your bottle, right? Oh,